Our Plantibot revolutionizes farming by reducing manual workloads and advancing sustainability. It creates new job opportunities in skilled tasks, robot maintenance, data analysis, and farming practices, shaping the future of work in agriculture.
Good day, Sir Lem. Here's the methodology of Group 4. In our methodology, you can find the introduction to prototype development, which states on why the researchers came up with the idea to build a planting robot. Also, you can find in the methodologies the prototype objectives, which states the aim of the robot. In the materials and components, you can find the electronics and non-electronic parts that the researchers used to build the prototype. For the prototype design, it basically explains on what Plantibot can do. Meanwhile, on the prototyping tools and equipment, it details the tools and equipment that is used to the prototype. For the assembly process, it provides a step-by-step description on how the researchers build the prototype. For the wiring diagram, you see there where the researchers place the wiring in coding. Let's move on on the research design that states the focus of the research, which is to find a better solution to further improve the economy. For the testing procedure, it states there on how the researchers will test their prototype. And that's the methodology of Group 4.
The Plantibot operates by moving forward using DC motors. The DC motors will move continuously until the ultrasonic sensor detects a pothole. Once the ultrasonic sensor detects a pothole, the servo motor will be initiated to drop some mungo seeds in the pothole. This is the servo motor of our robot. This is the ultrasonic sensor that will detect the pothole, the Arduino board, and the breadboard. This is one of our DC motors, this yellow one. This is the one that will make our robot move forward.
If this robot is successfully made and improved, we believe that it can greatly lessen the workload of many farmers in our country, in the world.
The creation of automated planting bots has the potential to reduce the workload of many farmers.
Plantibot, if given proper coding and numerous electronic improvements, will undoubtedly have a significant impact to the world.
Although this type of robot has many advantages, it also faces many challenges such as how farmers will adapt to using it, the cost of mass production, and many others.